Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to draw money to bank from Moonshot. But before anything else, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, go ahead and open your Moonshot app. And at the very bottom, you want to click on Holdings, then simply choose Withdraw. Then from here, you have the option to choose the currency at the very top. So click the drop down. So you can choose either cash or Solana. Next, you want to choose the amount. And let's say, for example, $100. And then on the next drop down menu, you can choose here bank transfer. Right. As you can see, currently it's not available on my end yet. I only have crypto as an option, but it might be a different case on your end. So just check if it's already available in your end. All right. And basically, that's it. All I have to do next is swipe to start to confirm the transfer. And now you know how to withdraw money to bank from Moonshot in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.